beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Hello my people, I want to deal with the sub. Welcome back again to another episode of that thing that I do best, comedy reaction. You get. So my people, please make sure you watch this video to the very end because it's gonna be a blast. You understand? It's gonna be a blast. So watch to the very end. Subscribe if you're yet to do that. Turn on your bell notification and don't play. Let's go have some fun.
What does he want?
Osimhem.
Picture?
Thank you, boss.
This is Nduka.
No, boss, I don't play, no.
This your leg, look like you ball. Just try and play football.
Okay, boss.
This leg will be like this thing.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can say,
He really suffered from a testicular rupture together with a femoral neck fracture. It's critical, but he will survive.
The struggle.
The guy who kicked him got strong legs. He should be a professional footballer.
Hey! See, you don't think I'm messing for your head.
Bro, you don't pass this rubbish where you they do. So you go market, go find clothes, man. Spider-Man clothes where you go buy. Spider-Man they play bets.
Where you put that?
Where you that?
You must act like a man. You must act like a man.
Jesus.
Tell what? When I give me to 5 children, 10 children, 8 children, just give me one. Even if I want picking, give me one. It's your fault. It's your fault. You think I'm joking? I'm joking. I mean,
Wait. Hey! Can you imagine? From inside bed shop.
Jesus.
upstairs.
By the way, who are you? And how dare you bust into my house like that?
Sugar, relax. I did where I did the play bed. Now you say your woman like your bottle. Is that right? Is it good? One picking, you know for born. Satisfy your woman, you cannot. Now so your mama for your body.
You joking?
Maybe if you joke very well now, you know the feet chop well. No appetite. So you never hear about banga bitters. So you say if you take them, all this problem one mention now, you no go get them again. Now what did they call them again on top? All you have to do is to contact the number you see on the screen or message them on WhatsApp.
What's the correlation?
They are very active. Bye bye to the direction. 2 minutes, man.
Breaking news, guys. There's a man in the street right now in the name of Spider-Man. He took on bitters called Banga bitters, and he has impregnated over 36,000 women. As we speak right now, the police are searching for him.
Baby, it's not the one.
He's the one.
What do we do now?
Baby, see, since he has a solution to our problem, let's just hide him.
Yeah.
I'm just wondering that what kind of bitter.
Before you go come back, your woman will not
So
carry
please,
them.
guys, allow the police do their work. Let them go into their house and search for.
Everybody lie down. Anything you do or say will be against you the court of law. What else? Go down. Fast.
He will give you some.
Oga, come in, let me show you the house. Everything, yeah, you will love it. Everything, even the fan, look at the fan, it's a very loyal fan. It will blow you off your mind. This cupboard, fully furnished, everything you can see here, even check it, it will come it. It comes with the package. Even the bed, my Oga, check the bed. Yeah, madam, you are going to really love it. Everything here is fully furnished. Even the chair, you can check the chair.
Even the tenant.
You see, no water anywhere. Once you pack inside my house from here to Dubai.
So, who did man?
I don't know if you have seen anybody. Me, I'm not seeing anybody because the person here is owing me 4 years and 4 months house rent.
Wow.
4 years and 4 months. So it's like a promo. You buy one, get one free. Pay for the house and get him free.
Wow, then let me don't carry him along.
100% discount. You can carry him.
Nigerians, look at pray for me.
Obìnrin. Obìnrin.
Lord Lamba.
I can't wait. So can we go to my hotel? What's up?
I think we should go to my place. It might be closer.
I like that. Come on, let's go.
You don't go to a woman's house now. What did they go do for
They
woman
play
house?
the show now every day, dude.
I've been so long.
Where did they go woman house? Well, that's it all.
What? My God, my husband.
What the hell? You're married?
But from today, they wash your back. Anywhere they go, they wash your back.
What's going on here?
Na plan, no.
Phoenix. What? This guy is rich.
Yeah, very.
Women.
And he left his glasses here.
You are that guy.
So, babe, this is the 10th guy for today, right?
No, babe, it's the 12th.
What?
Yes. We need to take this to the next level.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure. I want to get Dangote.
Dangote?
Dangote. Dangote.
So this is true. Lucy.
Lucy
And
don't
you say
fight.
you don't buy. Of all the time when you choose to buy now, where I borrow you money?
Dissolve!
And you always check up for you, they call you. Today when you don't pick my call, so make I come know wetin happen. Lucy. Who go see them at? Lucy! Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Wetin that life? You don't rest in peace. Even then you don't want to make a rest in peace. How much are they owe you say? Give me my money. You? How much? Hey! Babe!
So you get the money, you don't pay assist.
I give rest in peace now. Now you sabi.
So you get all this money since you don't pay assist.
You just like magic, say.
Old,
That $50
older
like as you
takers
enter my house like
are going through a lot.
money okay, fine, mo just dey go through loss. Bro,
Daddy no.
tashin lo. We just did that toll gate.
Shey na that day wey Popo stop us dey tell am.
I swear.
That toll gate.
Now so police stop us.
Stop us, sir, for that toll gate.
They say come down. I say omo you don beat today and cannot dey my hand.
Yeah, I come dey panic and they look say wetin I go do like
Omo, as you come reach, I thought say officer, mo give you something now. This one say no, maybe they search us.
All those people don't know, see wetin they something they saw.
Come on, the canal for my left pocket like this. For jufun elemi. When you jufun elemi, I was no problem. I got to make you wear black. Omo, I swear, nah. I swear, what can you do that to say? Ready, boss? Jerry. I want to chat to you.
These are my Yahoo boys.
I go put you on screen.
No say AMG stand up for your road. Now one nigga.
I talk. Come on, I gotta save us. I gotta save us. Don't be smart, you know.
Oh, let's go to the beach now. I'm really stressed.
I be
now.
now.
I'm gonna go to the beach.
I be say mo enter beach.
I'm gonna go Abi now. What do you think? I go even
person go feel reason well.
Let's go now.
Come on.
No. I'm going to be front now. Why did you do now? Don't
How long? She don't whine me.
Don't follow.
She be now 3 for back.
No, go be carry for. I go be carry for. Le gbe mẹ́rin ben yan. Ọmọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi kele ṣe báyìí.
Okay, I don't complete.
Now you be the older taker.
No,
You know what you go do?
I talk again.
Person wey go give me money na inside Agkaay dey. Person go give me money na inside Agkaay dey. Close marking.
Old taker, you be old taker.
Your money no reach.
It's not 1,000.
No, 1,500.
Okay, say you return back to 1,000. Let me charge minimum 1,500.
No, not that. I don't say you're lawyer.
You know, say I be lawyer.
Yes.
And you are in breach of 7 traffic regulations.
No,
say you will move your bike, Kabi, or you want to be Christmas.
No, about the Jordan.
Hello, Mr. Sheye. I'm in your street, too. Yes, please come out.
Dilo, I dey very happy to see you. Welcome.
Cut the crap, Mr. Sheye. Nobody's excited to see a lawyer, okay? I will have you know that I saw the news, Mr. Sheye. You on the way back from the club, driving under the influence with a couple friends, bashed into a psychiatric home in Yaba. Is that not the case? All right, no problem. How much are they charging you for damages?
Around 10 to 15 million naira.
10 million naira?
Let it not get to that, because I'm still supposed to repair my car. And that money is around 5 million naira.
5 million? How much did you buy a car that you are repairing 5 million naira, Mr. Sheye?
I got it 46 million naira back then.
You are buying a car 46 million? And you don't have any asset? Sebi, if it's that you are listening to me when I'm giving you advice, I told you some weeks ago, Mr. Sheye, to invest in Michelle Holmes.
Michelle Holmes?
Yes.
Which one is Michelle Holmes?
As far as your eyes can see, you can own it. Built on integrity, surrounded by nature, a place where you feel alive. With golf course, amusement park, artificial lake, sports centers, residential and commercial spaces. Be among the first to invest for greater returns and a new lifestyle. Hutu exclusive. Live, play, relax. Invest today.
You invest in that, not the base that you have gone to put on yourself.
But I come meet you say make you give me legal advice now. No be all this real estate advice now I come meet you for.
Who is talking to you, Mr. Sheye? I'm talking to people that can see the contact info on the screen right now. At least if they can patronize Michelle Holmes, call their contact number and tell them that you are from Layi Wasabi so that they can give you discounts. At least if I have clients like that, I won't be bothering myself with someone that's going to bash psychiatric home. You that they are supposed to lock up with the people that escape. Nonsense. You have released society to a lot of problems now, Mr. Sheye. I don't know. I can't deal with you.
It's not that serious.
Listen to me. Not only will you share on Mr. Sheye, you will share years in prison. I can guarantee you that.
Dilo.
Nonsense. You can't afford my services at this point.
Dilo.
I'm sorry.
Take this. Take this. Thank you, sir. Take this. And take this. So take it now, and your sufferings will be over.
Stop it. Come. Who are you and what are you doing here?
I'm here to help Africa out.
You here to help who?
Africa.
Who says Africa needs your help? Are you that less busy? What did you give them?
It's medicine.
What medicine?
It's to help them to end their suffering.
And who's
sweet.
What suffering do you want to end? Why is Africa always the experiment ground for you? Do you know that between us, you are the one who is poor. You are the one without minerals. You are the one with nothing. You come here to exploit us and you still can't let us be. You want to reduce our population for what reason? Other countries are suffering underpopulation. You are here with your missions every day. I blame you. I don't blame you. I blame you not. I blame our leaders who play it to their hands, become puppets. Play them like remote and control them. If not, are you supposed to be richer than us? We have oil, we have minerals, we have healthy plantations, we have everything that we want in Africa.
And listen,
but
I do like this guy's video.
You take our orange, you give us chemical as juice. You take our this, you give us this thing. You encourage everything you know, anything you are sure that will deteriorate our health. That's your priority. We don't need your help. Leave this place, get out.
Anyway, as you can see, I'm here to help Africa out.
How do you want to help us?
Anyway, let's just see the edit.
Breaking news, an American philanthropist is back in Africa to help them combat dangerous diseases and child control. Coming up next is a mission back to Kenya on how to swallow more peacekeeping seeds.
Darling,
ilé ó ti tó láti ṣe ògo mo ò ṣe mọ́ ó ti rẹ̀ mí kí ló dé ṣe fẹ́ gún mi pa ni.
darling,
ó máa rọ̀ ẹ́
darling, jọ
fi mí lè ó jẹ́ ìsùn darling gbogbo kátikàtì ẹyọ kan
lézì jù wọ́n ran òmòdú missionary ò lè ṣe káògè káòtè ni ò lè ṣe káòtè náà.
tútù mi ẹ fẹ́ pa mí hàn.
Hello. Gómìnà mo lè ṣiṣẹ́ kú. Ẹ̀yà mo ti bọ̀ síbi ṣọ́kì náà.
Ibo lẹ́ ń lọ.
Mo lè ti jẹ́ kú.
Kí ló kọ́ yín pẹ̀lú ẹ̀yin jẹ́ dókítà ni?
I'm a government official. I'm a government pastor. Oh, it's that.
We go together.
When did you start going work together?
When did you start
going to work together?
When did you start? Kílẹ̀ ìgbà olè yín náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ bí iṣẹ́ láago mọ́kànlá àjọ máa lọ ni.
You don't want to give up. You want to say
I'm going to Ibiṣẹ́ right now. I'm going to Daku. I'm on day.
Ẹ lè fojú rí méjèèjì ṣe fi ṣépè sí pé Ibiṣẹ́ lẹ̀ ń lọ.
Ojú mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta máa fi ṣépè bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ojú mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta. I have 3 eyes, 2 eyes here, 1 in the head. I'm coming, darling. Tomorrow, cook rice and beans. Make sure the children go to school.
Ṣebí kọ́kọ́rọ́ mọ́tò yìí rẹ̀ wá gbà.
Gángan. Ó ti gbẹ̀ ẹ́ sómi. Ó ti kà níbo ni wàá fi sí báyìí. Darling, I need to go to work.
Lágo mọ́kànlá.
Darling, fún ní kí mi.
Kò máa yẹ ká fàyè ìṣàlẹ̀.
Kò sí wàhálà ẹ máa lọ. Ẹ máa lọ.
Máa lọ.
Má tilẹ̀kùn kẹ́ tó dé ni.
Wàá ṣílẹ̀kùn yẹn. Darling, have a good night, okay?
Let's go. Let's go one more time, baby.
Asabu! One more time. I go one more time. I will faint.
Daddy, you will not faint.
Precious, I will faint. Please. I know what you want. Don't let me die before my kids.
You won't die, Daddy.
I will buy that wig for you.
Are you sure?
You know that's why you are
How many?
treating me like. How many?
I want 4. Yes, Daddy.
You're very fine. What are your
Okay,
plans?
Daddy.
I wish my wife was like this. But she would just lie down like a log of food. I hate that old man. You shall not see but dead.
Ow! Don't wish your wife dead now. It's not good.
Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's write in the comment section. And please subscribe. Subscribe, it's very important. So, see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.